Well, that story, I know. My mother did rent a house
Mm-hmm.
and
Which part?
a Erie Castle.
St. Thomas.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And my mother was a Igla. So she gone a town. So me and my two big sister and my little brother, him was the baby. But him was about 4 or 5.
Mm-hmm.
And we dey home. And the house have a little cellar, we call it cellar.
Yeah,
Underneath
man.
the cellar.
That when them build the house with the foot.
Whip on the foot.
Yeah, yeah.
Right. And my brother and the little boy, underneath the cellar, I play dolly part.
Mm-hmm.
But him alone, Him alone underneath there playing dolly part. And I remember lunchtime come. And my sister look after something for him eat. And my sister call him. And tell him, say, come eat something. And he run, come. And he go eat and so. And when he finish eat, he run, go back now because he want to finish with him when I play.
Mm-hmm.
The same speed he go underneath the cellar with, and the same speed he come out back. And he ball out. When he run underneath the cellar, he ball out. And run out. So we get frightened now and we run off of the veranda. And run go see what happened to him. And when we run go underneath the cellar, when we run go around there, he run out and come out to it.
Mm-hmm.
And that was the last word come out of him mouth. When he ball out.
Mm-hmm.
When we go in, could have only a pint and a show way, but we don't see nothing.
My pint underneath the cellar.
Yes, my pint underneath the cellar and a show way, but in dumb.
Can't talk.
Can't talk.
And he used to talk before that?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Tell us him a boy about 4 or 5 year old.
Yeah.
But when we reach to him, he just dumb. And he only a pint to him, a pint and a show way what the person who trouble him or whatsoever.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, we carry me in and we carry me in at the house and we are trying to, we don't even know what to do.
Yeah.
But when we sit down there, we have a bench long like this, and we sit down on the bench, you see a big bullfrog.
Mm-hmm.
The bullfrog big more than the ordinary bullfrog.
Mm-hmm.
And the bullfrog have 2 titty. 2 big titty hang down in front of him.
Eh.
And it have about 4 or 5 steps to reach up on the veranda. And the bullfrog jump up on the step them. Jump up on the step them in front of we, big broad there.
I want to sit down on the veranda.
I will sit down on the veranda.
And the bullfrog a jump and come up.
Jump on the step them and I come up. And the bullfrog jump until he come up on the veranda and go in at the living room. And then time that you have something what they call breakfast now, then time they call it cabinet.
Mm-hmm.
And the bullfrog jump underneath the cabinet, And my sister, my big sister, get up and get the salt. And throw up and salt him. When we throw the salt on him, I jump all about the house. And my sister salt him, throw the salt on him. Until he couldn't take the salt no more and jump out of the house. And we have one little lane go down, so that lane they carry to the river. The river never far from we. And the bullfrog jump out of the house and go down through the lane. And
so now watch him see him a jump and go down the lane.
Yes, he jump and go right down through the lane and go right down through the bush.
To go the river.
So we never even know it's a river and go, but in case he jump down he jump out of the house and go down the lane.
Yeah.
And we didn't know with the little boy, what make we saying sick.
Mm-hmm.
And my mother come home the night now we was so want to see my mother coming up because we don't know what to do. And my mother come home the night, I think when my mother come home, we done asleep already. And my stepfather was there. Stepfather come home the evening too. And my mother go to bed. And me say, me hear my mother wake up in the night. My mother wake up with one scream. And she wake up the whole away. And she say, what happened here today? What happened here today? And I saw we tell her, what happened? What happened? She said, something happened today. Something happened here today. And so we tell her. She said, asleep, she asleep. And she see this big black woman, big fat black woman with a plate of rice. And she stretched the rice over past the little boy father and I give it to the little baby. So she jump up and box over the rice. And she said, anyway, the woman said to her, say, she come in her own house and we salt her. She have to go if I go wash it off.
This are the dream where your mother have.
Yes.
Mama get that dream there.
Mama get the dream. Say after she said after she see the woman backs out after she see the woman I feed the boy with the rice, she backs out the rice out of the woman and so in the dream now, the woman say after she come in her own house, we salt her and she have to go river go wash it off.
Wow.
Man, my brother have a long hair pretty. So I have no fear the way the ear pretty. Remember that if I want to cut it.
So during this time, Mama find out now saying can't talk.
Yes. During this time now, my mother find out saying can't talk. And so and we after my sister have one sheep. My sister have one sheep and the sheep tie for one plum tree where they have there. The woman beat the sheep. The duppy woman beat the sheep the whole night. We with the sheep ball and we sit down up and listen to the sheep. So we are saying now say, how the duppy that I beat the sheep, you know? Cause I know say the sheep are for you. Cause you salt him.
Oh, that your sister with okay.
Yes. And the woman beat the sheep ball the whole night. When they light out, the first thing we go look for the sheep dead. Dead. And my mother say she have to take food. She carry the little boy a doctor, the best doctor where they need have a married baby. She carry him. Go there. Because the little boy can't talk. The doctor say, all when sound him and when do with him, he not see nothing do him. The doctor tell her, say she fi cut in ear. And she cut in ear. Can't talk. Can't talk same way. But he might get sick, you know? He might get sick, but he can't talk same way. And me say, my mother say, all right.
So he might try to talk?
No.
During this time, like he might try to sound out words and the words will not come out?
Yeah, he would have tried to, but
the words will not
come out.
Oh,
anyway,
wow.
My mother have to take food. My mother's, I've done other tries now. My mother have to take food at some healing church with him. And I saw when my mother came go some healing church, then know say he's the spirit dumb him. And they help them fix him up and help him. And I saw him could attack.
This is how long after? Months?
Yeah,
year?
man. No, not year.
Like what, about 4 months?
I don't really remember because I did small, but it take a long time before in talk again. It take a long time before in talk again.
And after them bring him at the healing church.
Yes.
And then do them. Rub up and
yes.
Pray for him.
And pray for him. And so I saw in talk again. So this time now, the house where we live in, I feel the woman house and she dead.
The one where come back, we come back to the dream in
yes,
mama,
the one where dumb the baby.
Oh.
I fear her house. And she bury same place in the yard.
Oh.
She bury same place in the yard. So
she mess him up and make him can't talk.
Make him can't because she dumb him because he would have tell we what happened.
Underneath the cellar.
Yes, so
Oh.
she dumb him that he couldn't tell we.
Okay.
If my mother never see her in her sleep, we wouldn't know what happened to him.
Wagwan. Oh. So the run come out I cellar since it's something man she no want him
Since,
to come
right,
back
because
contact.
when he go back under the cellar, he go buck her up.
Oh. And he ma come back now if he can tell you no.
Yeah, he ma come back, he run under the cellar with a speed. And then when he run under the cellar now, he see the spirit and he ma run, him ball out. And I run it because he knows I'm alone did that and then. So all of a sudden you go back and it's like you go see this big black woman.
Yeah.
So I run him ball out and I run for come tell we. And we hear the ball out and we run go. And that was
and
it.
And then she had jumped going at the house now as a frog.
Yeah man, because maybe after we see him run out, so maybe we talk something and it makes her.
She are going at the house now.
So she a fear house. So she a jump for come in. Me no know what she a come in for do. But my sister put her out.
And she kill your sister sheep.
Kill my sister sheep.
Wow. As you say, them duppy, them beer face and serious them time, man. Serious, like nowadays.
And
back then you feel that duppy more.
Oh, you mean because and because as me say, then turn in an electric light, so you know the
dark.
You know the place dark when night come. Oh, dark like midnight, and then duppy they then strong. Them always a walk up and down and.
So you all a walk on road and duppy just walk past you then time.
Yes. Yeah, me always afraid of them time then because everywhere you go you talk about duppy. Worst favor the road have to go home. Somebody always a frighten you know. Tell us you're afraid of it.
Yeah.
But me experience that, me see that. Duppy dumb my brother. Dumb him. And if my mother did never is sensible, maybe should have killed him.
The duppy woman?
Yes.
Wow.
But that would become my mother sensible and could have helped herself.
Yeah. If you know what go on.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. You remember say one similar thing like that they happened to me? Where the bully beef and rice. And the person come to you in a dream and say, you're picking lucky, say you never eat the food last night.
Yes, when they left the rice, the rice in the kitchen pan the stove.
And when we take it up to eat it,
it's full of slime.
It's full of slime and I spit it out back.
I spit it out. Yes.
And when and the next morning you come to me and say, it asks me if me did eat the rice, and me tell you, say no, because it's slimy. And you tell me, say, a good thing, say, me no eat it because you get the dream. And the person come and touch your foot and say, a good thing, say, your boy no eat the rice last night, you know. And you get up and, why, me I tell you, they might not so privileged like back then, but
no, I know. No, the people they know because you see how long them have to stay up on the ice.
Then cramp up.
They cramp up.
Then say then cramp up, you know.
Cramp out, no man, cramp out.
Much respect, people, and until the next video, bless upon yourself.